In the last video, I gave you this problem here and asked you to make x the subject. Now, what happens if x is at the bottom? So let me change the question now. Okay, hang on, 5x. Hang on. So I'm gonna change the question now. X is at the bottom now. Earlier, what was it? 2, I think. 2 here. Let's stick some silly things in here. So c squared. Okay. Now x is at the bottom. Make x the subject. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so visualize this as well, one bubble multiplying this bubble here. Okay. The important bubble is this one here because x is in here. So let's kill off this bubble here. Divide both sides by 7ab. So it would be y over 7ab equals root 2c squared over 5x. Okay. Now square both sides. So this would be y squared over 49a squared b squared, and on this side it would be 2c squared over 5x. You can visualize this as being one bubble dividing by another bubble, and within the top bubble here you've got the y squared here. Sorry, the c squared. So oh, that's on the top. Well, c squared. You don't need to worry about c squared that much. It's stuck in this bubble here anyway. You see what I mean later. So now here x is at the bottom. You could here take the reciprocal both sides. Get x on top. So it will be this 49 a squared b squared over y squared. Remember, we're taking the reciprocal of both sides. Okay. If you don't understand this, then if you don't understand reciprocal, then you have to watch one of the earlier videos. Okay. So this would be this over 2c squared. Okay. Now so here visualize it as this one bubble dividing by this bubble here. So kill off this bubble, the bottom bubble. Multiply both sides by the bottom bubble. So it would be this. Remember, you're multiplying a fraction, so it gets multiplied to the top. This bubble here gets multiplied to the top of this fraction. So it will be, well, get the 49 times with the 2 first, which would be 80, 90, 98. Okay. A squared times, well, there's no a squared over here. So this would be a squared, b squared, b times with a b over here. There's no b over here, so it stays the same, b squared. And then get the c squared times with, well, there's no c squared here, so it becomes this. Okay, and then y squared here. This will be 5x. So now divide both sides by. If you at this step here, if you don't understand it, then take it step by step. Think about it. Stay on here for a bit if you want, and think about it. Well, when you're here, you can get to here. Okay. And now divide both sides by 5. Here you've got a fraction. If you divide by a fraction, it gets multiplied to the bottom. So it will be this 98. A squared, b squared, c squared over, remember the 5 gets multiplied to the bottom. When you're here, inside your mind, divide both sides by 5. So you will have this. Okay, so this, this here. So x equals that. Okay.